replacing the trunk lid inboard taillight. I'm going to go ahead and lift up the tailgate or the trunk and going to access it through this panel right here. Using a trim tool, I want to go ahead and go to the outside edge right here. Just pop that off, exposing the back side of the taillight. We have two exposed nuts right here. They're 10mm, or you can use a flathead screwdriver. We're just going to use our socket and zip these off. I'm going to go ahead and bring the trunk lid down and then grab the taillight, pull it straight out. It's going to expose the taillight connector right here. Pinch on these two little tabs on either side. Work that connector off. Go ahead and take your connector, line it up, and just press it in until it clips in. I'm going to go ahead and take your mounting studs right here. Should line up into the trunk lid. Press that in, and go ahead and reinstall the hardware. I'm going to go ahead and get the hardware started by hand first. Once those are started, I'm just going to go ahead and snug those down. Take your trim panel, insert the end tab in first, and then press this up. There you go.